Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This time we will learn how to make sentence properly and correctly in Indonesian. Let's get started. How to compose Indonesian sentence patterns. Before compiling sentence patterns in Indonesian, we must first recognize the elements of the sentence's elements in Indonesian. 1.
Subjek S
or subject. In a sentence, thr subject is the actor or person who carries out certain activities. Subjects are generally nouns such as names of people, animals, plants, and object. 2.
Predikat P
or verb. The predicate is an element of a sentence that states the activity being carried out by the subject. The predicate is usually a verb. For example, cooking,
memasak,
playing,
bermain,
singing,
bernyanyi,
etc. 3.
Objek O
or object. Object is something that is subject to action by the subject, just like the subject. Object can be nouns such as father,
ayah,
tiger,
harimau,
clothes,
pakaian,
etc. 4.
Keterangan K
or adverb. In an adverb sentence, explain how, where, or when the event stated in the sentence can be in form of a. Place adverb. For example, at home,
di rumah,
at school,
di sekolah,
in the market,
di pasar,
etc. b. Adverb of how. For example, quickly,
dengan cepat,
seriously,
dengan serius,
with enthusiasm,
dengan semangat,
etc. c. Destination adverb.
For example,
to pass the exam,
agar lulus ujian,
to meet his mother,
untuk bertemu ibunya,
to be clean,
supaya bersih,
etc. d. Tool adverb.
For example,
using a knife,
menggunakan pisau,
riding motorcycle,
mengendarai motor,
using a spoon,
menggunakan sendok,
etc. e.
Adverb of time. For example,
on Monday,
pada hari Senin,
at 10 o'clock,
jam 10,
rainy season,
pada musim hujan,
etc. Accompanying adverb.
For example, bersama ayahnya,
with his father,
dengan ibunya,
with her mother,
ditemani kakaknya,
with his brother, etc. 5.
Pelengkap pel
or complement. Complement is an element of a sentence whose function is like an object, but what distinguishes it is that the complement cannot change into the subject of a complementary passive sentence, usually after the predicate or object. A good and correct sentence is a sentence that has sentence elements in which a collection of words can be said to be a sentence if it has a minimum of subject and predicate elements. Example:
saya,
I, subject,
pergi, go, predicate.
In general, Indonesian sentences have 8 basic sentence patterns that can be developed. The following are examples of basic Indonesian sentence patterns.
1.
SP.
Example:
Saya,
I, subject,
makan,
eat,
predicate.
2.
SPO.
Example:
Saya,
I, subject,
makan,
eat,
predicate. Apel,
apple.
Object.
3.
SPL.
Complement. Example:
Saya,
I, subject,
makan,
eat,
predicate. Yang manis.
complement. 4.
SPO. Pel.
Example:
Saya,
I, subject,
makan,
eat,
predicate. Apel,
apple.
Object.
yang manis.
Sweet one. Complement. 5.
SPO. Pel. K.
Example:
Saya,
I, subject,
makan,
eat,
predicate. Apel,
apple.
Object.
yang manis.
Sweet one. Complement.
dengan lahap.
Hungrily. Adverb. 6.
SPK.
Adverb. Example:
Saya,
I, subject,
makan,
eat,
predicate. dengan lahap.
hungrily. Adverb. 7.
SPOK.
Example:
Saya,
I, subject,
makan,
eat,
predicate. apel,
apple,
Object.
dengan lahap.
hungrily. Adverb. 8.
S, P, pel, ka.
Example.
Saya
I. Subject.
makan.
Eat.
Predicate. Yang manis.
Sweet one. Complement.
Dengan lahap.
Hungrily. Adverb. Of all the patterns above,
S, P, O, K.
patterned sentence are relatively independent sentence and have a final intonation pattern.
S, P, O, K.
Sentence can also be reference for scientific writing because they almost have all the complete information that can be found in a sentence. Okay all, that was how to make sentence properly and correctly in Indonesian. Thank you for watching. See you again in our next lesson.
Bye.